So welcome to my presentations. My name is Lê Đức Đồng and today I will analyze case for Ajax projects. So Ajax projects is a high-tech security system developed by CBEX Corporations for the U.S. Department of Defense. It integrates advanced sensor technologies, acoustic, optics, and lasers into a unified platform to protect critical facilities, led by project manager Trump, a former Air Force officer with a decade of experience at CBEX. The project involves a team of 30 engineers. Ajax represents a strategic effort to enhance national security while expanding CBEX's market share in defense technology. Strict deadlines and technical complexity make it a high-priority DoD initiative. As project leader, Trent, a former Air Force officer with dual engineering degrees, brings 10 years of technical experience and a strong track record. 50% of past projects finish early. His proactive leadership, including team building and daily check-ins, boosts team cohesion, but he underestimated technical risks in transitioning from lab to field and struggling to resolve conflicts between engineering teams, particularly over pay disparity. His reactive rather than preventive approach highlights a need for stronger risk management. So the Ajax projects face two major challenges. First one are technical issues, though the advanced security system has repeatedly failed alpha testing due to integration errors between subsystems and the discrepancy between lab and field conditions. Each failure caused 2 or 3 week delays, costing hundreds of thousands in fixes and eroding customer trust. Next one, a human resource problem. A deep divide existed between hardware and software engineers due to generational gaps, working style classes, and pay disparity. This conflict has reduced productivity by 25%, stifle innovations, and create a tense atmosphere. So these issues fit into a vicious cycle. Technical failures fuel team conflicts, which further hinder progress. So in the face of these challenges, we have developed two sets of solutions that can resolve for this situation. For technical, we focus on 3 key strategies. Instead of testing the entire system at once, we break down the system into separate modules for independent testing. We can easily detect and isolate errors in the early stage, instead of letting potential errors arise when the system is fully integrated. This not only reduces repair costs due to early detection of errors, but also minimize integration risks, ensuring that each individual component meets technical standards before being assembled into the overall system. Next one, we established a rapid technical response team, gathering the best engineers from both hardware and software. This team is responsible for immediately handling serious errors that arise in order to minimize downtime and avoid prolonged error affecting the entire project. Also, the rapid response team plays a technical support role for other module groups, helping to speed up the resolution of incidents across the system. And finally, before performing actual tests, we stimulate the entire system operation in a digital environment. Stimulation helps us to detect potential errors early in a safe environment, thereby minimizing the risk of failure when entering the actual testing phase. By combining these 3 technical solutions at the same time, we expect to control technical risks, speed up development, and ensure the quality of the final product. Regarding human resources, we also have 3 key solutions. First one are reboot workshop. So we organize a workshop to restore the team spirit. In here, all members will discuss the current situation, redefine common goals, and recommit to the project progress. Also, the workshop aims to re-establish trust create a space for everyone to share difficulties and together find practical solutions for the next phase. This is help to recommit to personal responsibility while recording pride and fighting spirit for the common success of the Ajax project. Next one, we restructured team roles by forming small multifunctional teams, combining hardware and software engineers in each team. So each small team will be responsible for completing a technical module from start to finish, from design to testing, instead of separating work by field as before. This combination not only increases initiative and ownership of work, but also helps members learn cross-skill from colleagues, improves technical communications, and reduce internal conflicts. And finally, we focus on building a culture of recognition for achievements and efforts across the team. We don't just recognize achievements at the end of the project, but also recognize small contributions weekly or independently after each important milestone. Formal condition can include phrase in morning meetings of name checking. A culture of recognition helps maintain positive motivations, reduce negative salary competitions, and also create a sense of value for each member. With these, the human resources solutions, we expect to re-establish team spirit, build a stronger and more cohesive Ajax teams, and be ready to face the remaining challenges of the projects. And before the end, I would like to present the connection between the proposed solutions and the knowledge learned in the course. First, the technical solutions. Are reflected the problem-solving focus principle mentioned in the lecture. We focus on proactively identifying and solving problems instead of waiting until major errors arise to handle them. In terms of human resources, the three solutions closely follow the high-performing teams model. These solutions aim to build a team that shares a common goal, leverage individual talents, accepts differences, and maintains high-performance standards. Also, by fostering a culture of recognition and team spirit, we are strengthening team identity, an essential element in maintaining team cohesion and motivation. In short, the entire system of technical and human resource solutions not only solve practical problems, but it also designed based on a solid theoretical foundation of high-performance team management. So that is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.